Check the name and numbers on the map for Columbus. I'm getting all of this money by killing all of the summers. It's funny how niggas hatin', far up in them corners, and guys so worse than bitches whoop they ass back to they mamas. GED having niggas need to get some diplomas and jump from off my dick. I need the space for a woman. You see a nigga shining, not cause of no diamonds, it's because I got paid and found a way about the projects. Bitches used to ain't know me, saying my clothes was holy. She was so right, cause God blessed a young shorty to spit like he was senseless, talented and so gifted. Every time I'm on the mic, just expect me to kill it. I'm everywhere that you look, I'm blowing up on your Twitter, hashtag Lady Luck. I'm falling in love with her, man. The beauty of a day is so much better when you're paid, so you can quit the hustle, but in me it's ingrained. My job is just to live, people pay to come and see it. Even though I bleed like them, they still just can't believe it. Flyer than aeroplanes taking off every evening, then circle round the globe, touch down on the weekends to holler up at some chicks and politic with my peoples, then head back to the clouds trying to stay above the evils. Haters look the other way, cause I ain't trying to see ya. If it ain't about the money, ain't about me either. Buttons on my rims, got dressed to come and see ya. Stare too hard at my watch, you might just have a seizure. Yeah, shorty, I'm cold, you could just say I'm freezing. Yeah, shorty, I'm cold, you could just say I'm freezing. Yeah, shorty, I'm cold.